Hi Pitmasters, welcome to another episode, and today we're gonna make a chicken cake. How did I come up with that idea? Someone sent me a message if I have a recipe on it. I didn't know what it was, but I thought chicken cake, that just might be a good idea. And as always, the first thing that we're going to do is fire up our barbecue. We're using Kamado Joe's big block. Place 2 of these fire starters underneath, light them up. This is going to take around 15 minutes, and in the meantime we're going to prepare our chicken. So this is the closest thing that I have to a cake tin, but it will do. The first thing that I want to do is line it with strips of bacon. Look at that, a nice bacon bowl, ready to be filled up. We have these beautiful chicken thighs. Look at that. Nice bit of fat on there. And what we want to do is inject it with butter. I got a bowl. We'll put in this pack of butter and we'll sit this over our stove and let the butter clarify. In the meantime, we will add a squeeze of lemon juice. The butter is molten, and now we're gonna suck it all up into this syringe, and we're going to inject it into our chicken. Look at the butter, it's already become hard again. It's so cold outside. Normally, of course, that would be molten butter and it would be easy to put some of the rub on. I'm going to use Bombastic barbecue rub, which is one of my new barbecue rubs that's out on the market. I'll put a recipe for another rub that you can use down below in the video description. Then we're going to put them one by one into our tray that's lined with bacon. Now we just press it hard, firm up our chicken cake. There we go. This is ready to go on the grill. Our barbecue is fully lit up, and we set it to 140 degrees Celsius, which is 280 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to put this over indirect heat, and we're going to add a chunk of oak to smoke it with. We've had this chicken on for 2 hours, and it's gone a little bit over the temperature which I was shooting for, but it looks amazing. The fat really came out of the chicken, but also preserved the moisture inside the chicken. We got a nice bit of smoke on top here, and now we're just gonna try and flip it over and see if we can crunch it up some of that bacon. I just want to add one chunk more of big block charcoal. I'm putting it straight on the fire. I want a little bit more heat. The heat will crispen up a little bit the outside of the bacon, but we're also going to brush on some barbecue sauce, and that will help to dry out the barbecue sauce and create a nice crust on the outside. So I'm going to brush on some of the barbecue sauce that I used in the crispy chicken video. And look at that, that's a beautiful sauce. With this, we added a nice bit of shine to our chicken, but we also added another layer of flavor. That's going to work out really well for our chicken. It's been another 15 minutes, and look, that's what we're looking for. The barbecue sauce has dried into the bacon. Absolutely perfect. We're going to take her off carefully so she doesn't fall apart. This is the most tricky part. Yeah, we got it all. Now let's slice into this. The chicken cake turned out absolutely delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. If you do, give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of it. And if you loved it, don't forget to subscribe. I'm biting into another piece. Until then, see you guys next time. It's smakelijk.